We were discussing much information about starting a private limited company last few weeks. Since we have to scatter this knowledge among everyone all over the world, here we come up with a summarized version of the full video we did so far in English. If you are dreaming to start a business but struggling to figure out whether to register it as a sole proprietorship, a partnership or a limited liability company, you have to consider the benefits, recognition and the security of each type of business give you. Let me tell you the benefits you can enjoy if you decide to start your business as a private limited company. When you register your company as a private limited company, it gets its own legal identity. In simple terms, your business is now completely separate from all your personal assets. This means you know your family will have to suffer personal consequences brought on by the business. Other than that, you guarantee a unique business name for your business, which we call as a trade name, which is very useful for promotions, registering your business with the Inland Revenue Department and tax authorities, and creating a corporate bank account for your business. Since you can accommodate up to 50 new investors as shareholders to your company, you can collect a significant amount of capital as well. Let's move to the registration process. We can simplify the registration procedure of the limited liability company into main 3 steps. The first step is name search and reservation. Searching for unique and dream company name can be done online via the website of the Department of the Registrar of Companies, that is www.drc.gov.lk, and this company name reservation is valid for 3 months. The second step is filling forms for the company registration. After obtaining the name approval for the company name, form number 1, 18, 19 need to be submitted in the printed or typewritten format, as handwritten forms will not be accepted. Form number 1, collect data about the company registration. 18, collect data about the consent and the certification of the director. 19, collect data about the consent and certificate of secretary or secretaries. The third step is preparing the Articles of Association. Simply, the Articles of Association sets out the object of the company. Also, this constitute is a contract between the company and the members. After following all the above steps, a public notice must be given within 30 working days of the incorporation of the company, specifying the name of the company, registration number, date of incorporation and address of the registered office. You must be interested in getting to know the cost of this registration process. If you register your business today, the total fee is 14,321 inclusive of VAT and 2% convenience commission for this registration procedure. But there can be slight differences at the time you register your business. Did you know every company should have a registered office in Sri Lanka? However, a company can now have its registered office in any part of Sri Lanka. If the registered office of the company is at the office of the chartered accountant, attorney at law or any other person, the description of the registered office shall state that the registered office of the company is at the office of the chartered accountant, attorney at law or any other person. No matter what your business is, everybody expects a smooth running business. For that, here are some tips. A company should ensure that minutes of books of general and board meetings, share register including the shares issued by the company and the names and the last known address of each shareholder and the number of shares, and register of directors and secretaries containing their names, residential address and business occupations are duly maintained. Other than that, maintaining books of accounts, filling annual returns on time, register their company with the Labor Department and having a common seal with its name and the company number will minimize potential problems that may arise. Another important topic is tax disregarding the type of business. Let's talk about this in the next video series onwards.